Well, I just got a Tesla wall connector installed, but unfortunately, no Tesla yet as mine comes in a couple weeks. And I'll be explaining why I'm getting a Tesla. As you can see, there's rust here. Stay tuned as I'll be posting regular videos pretty soon, just trying to get things sorted out. But yeah, this was a wall connector. A company came in and did it for me, and they were suggested by Tesla itself, and they were certified electricians. So we'll see how it goes. I can't test it out unfortunately because I don't have a car yet, but we'll see in a couple of weeks.